Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the large 22-quart linen fabric foldable storage bin cube organizer basket, a versatile solution for all your storage needs. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly linen fabric and reinforced with high-quality cardboard, these bins are both durable and odor-free, ensuring they maintain their shape and structural integrity even under heavy loads. The unique foldable and stackable design, complete with a flip-top lid and Velcro closure, not only saves space but also keeps your belongings dust-free and clean. Measuring 14.6 by 9.5 by 9.5 inches, each medium-sized storage box can hold a variety of items, from blankets and clothes to office supplies and pet products, making them perfect for any room in your home or office. Whether you're organizing out-of-season clothing or looking for a stylish way to declutter, these decorative bins are an excellent choice, even as a thoughtful housewarming gift. With a satisfaction guarantee and a lifespan 4 times longer than cheaper alternatives, these collapsible storage boxes are designed with unique style and fine craftsmanship to meet all your organizing needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find these storage solutions as practical and stylish as we do. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.